Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this fun card using the Butterfly Brilliance bundle. So this is a fun card. It's a little butterfly slot card, and when you open the card, the butterfly sneaks through and is on the inside. And then you can tuck the butterfly back up to the outside. So this is a really simple card to make, but it's really fun. So this is the Butterfly Brilliance bundle. There's a stamp set and the dies cut out the butterflies, and then you've got these extra dies and these detailed butterfly dies as well. The stamp set is one whole piece, but I have actually cut mine up into individual butterflies, and then I am going to purchase another butterfly set that's one whole, so I will have both options at my disposal as well. So that's just a tip if you'd like to do that as well. I've also used the Butterfly Bijou Designer Series paper. This is gorgeous paper, and the dies also cut out the butterflies from the paper like so. Isn't that cool? And there are beautiful designs in this paper. So this is the back of this butterfly here, and then you've got this design. That's the back. And then these two designs. This design, and then smaller butterflies, this design, and then this design. I love this paper. This paper is only available in March, along with this 12 by 12 natural wood green paper with this nice wood texture. You get 2 sheets of the 12 by 12. And the Butterfly Brilliance is a sneak peek. This is going to be available in the annual catalog. Now for this card, I have a regular 5.5 by 8.5 card base, and I'm going to start on the inside. And I'm just going to place a 5.25 by 4 piece of basic white cardstock on the inside to start. And then on the outside, I have my beautiful Butterfly Bijou paper, and I've cut out the largest butterfly, the So Saffron butterfly with the dies. And that's going to be my Peekaboo butterfly. And I'm just going to apply this. I think I have run out of my adhesive, so I'm going to do a quick adhesive change, or I'm just gonna switch over to my Stampin' Seal Plus real quick. And you're gonna want to use the classic label punch. This punch is so useful. And you're gonna punch, this is punching through basically 3 layers of paper, so it's going to be, you're going to push it in all the way, so it's going to be a little bit difficult, but you're going to punch twice. So you're going to do once, and then you're going to come down just a little bit more, and the second punch should be easier. You're going to do twice, and you're going to create a slot as long as the butterfly from this tip down to this tip right here, which is about 2.5 inches long. So make sure that that is 2.5 inches long, like so. Next, we're going to just kind of bend the butterfly in the middle and make sure we measure so that we've got the tip of the butterfly right here at the top. And then these two are going to pass through down here. We're going to put a dimensional in the middle here of the butterfly. And just add the butterfly here right in the middle of the card. And then the butterfly is ready to do its thing, to pass through to the middle of the card when we open it. Voila, ta-da! And then you can tuck the butterfly and it'll come back through to the other side. Simple, easy, cute card. I am offering a class on the Butterfly Brilliance bundle, and it consists of supplies for these 3 designs, 6 cards, and you can receive it for free when you purchase the Butterfly Brilliance bundle, or when you place a $30 order by going to my website and using the March Hostess code and emailing me and letting me know that you would like the Butterfly Brilliance bundle card kit. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my other Butterfly Brilliance bundle card videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.